very large LPG 15. We have everybody having always the same policy, Indian and Filipino tops mixed with Eastern Europeans. Now there is limitation of Russians and then just Ukrainians, also others invested in European top officers, but that supply is really cut 50%, next year will be zero. And so we have this opportunity to invest in very large gas carriers today that we could really have the policy towards these Peruvian officers, Panama junior officers, Latino ratings, those with the trade USA and the USA visa. It could be these Honduras, Guatemala, El Salvador, Panama, Peru ratings. Then officers experienced LPGs, Peruvians, and then mixed with Panamanians. The flags, please run away from European flags and go towards, if it is going to be America trade, surge of gas exports, then think about Marshall, Liberia, Bahama, Bermuda, Panama, all these flags that allow these Panama and Peru officers. So please invest in very large LPG, America, ESG, corporate social responsibility and transparency. If you invest in the local America trade, America will give you more goodwill. It's very simple how this works. Invest in ESG, corporate social responsibility. Train these Panama juniors because they have experience in the tank, container, bulk carrier, offshore bunker ships. So we can train those Panama officers. Why? Because most of the gas trade will be around the Panama Canal and Europe. So strategically, it's very interesting to have about 20 very large LPGs with American crew. Yeah. Think about it and make your crew management department change and adapt to this new market needs. Thank you. Bye.